Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Disha Panchal with an update on India weather. Delhi gets rain relief after brutal heat wave. IMD issues fresh weather update. After days of intense and exhausting heat wave conditions, parts of Delhi NCR finally received some much needed relief as rain, strong winds and changing weather conditions moved across the region. Residents who had been struggling through extreme temperatures and scorching afternoons witnessed a noticeable weather shift as thunderstorms and gusty winds developed, helping bringing temperatures down in several areas. The sudden change created cooler conditions compared with the intense heat that had dominated the region in recent days. The national capital had been experiencing severe heat wave conditions with temperatures climbing into the mid 40 degrees Celsius range. Hot northwesterly winds, dry weather and clear skies had pushed daytime temperatures well above seasonal averages, making outdoor activity extremely difficult for millions of people. But weather officials say the recent rain and wind activity are linked to developing pre-monsoon weather systems that are becoming increasingly active across northern India. Several parts of Delhi, Noida, Gurugram, Ghaziabad and surrounding NCR regions reported cloudy skies, strong winds and rainfall as the weather system moved through. In some areas, dust storms were also observed before rain showers arrived. While the rainfall brought welcome relief from the heat, changing weather conditions also caused temporary disruptions in some locations. Gusty winds reduced visibility in certain areas and commuters experienced slower travel conditions during periods of rain. Meanwhile, weather activity is not limited to Delhi alone. Thunderstorms, lightning and isolated rainfall are also being forecast across parts of Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and nearby states as atmospheric instability increases during the active pre-monsoon season. Meteorologists explain that this time of the year often brings dramatic weather contrasts. Region experiencing extreme heat can suddenly see thunderstorms develop when moisture-rich air interacts with hot surface temperatures. Despite the recent cooling, weather experts caution that summer conditions are not over yet. Some northern regions may continue experiencing high temperatures in the coming days, although periodic storms could provide temporary relief. Health officials are still advising residents to stay hydrated, avoid prolonged exposure to direct sunlight and remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, especially during afternoon and evening hours when storms are more likely to develop. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.